Embrace Indian fruits for effective weight loss, a nutrient-rich approach to healthier living. As the pursuit of weight loss continues to dominate health conversations, incorporating fruits into your diet emerges as a savvy strategy to shed excess pounds while nourishing your body. Indian fruits, in particular, are abundant in essential nutrients, low in calories, and high in fiber, making them ideal companions on your weight loss journey. With their natural sweetness and health benefits, these fruits can keep you satiated and energized without compromising your dietary goals. Here's a closer look at some of the best Indian fruits for weight loss, along with tips on how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Guava, the fiber powerhouse. Guava is a remarkable fruit that packs a nutritional punch, with only about 68 calories per 100 grams. It is rich in fiber, vitamin C, and potassium, making it a perfect ally in weight management. The high fiber content in guava promotes satiety, helping to curb overeating. Additionally, its low glycemic index helps regulate blood sugar levels. For optimal benefits, enjoy guava as a morning snack or during the mid-afternoon slump. You can consume it raw with a pinch of black salt for added flavor, or incorporate it into refreshing salads. Papaya, the digestive aid. Papaya is another excellent choice for those looking to lose weight, containing just 43 calories per 100 grams. This tropical fruit is loaded with vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and digestive enzymes like papain, which aids in digestion and alleviates bloating. The high water and fiber content in papaya keeps you feeling full longer. Have it fresh as part of your breakfast or as a light dessert post-meal. You can also blend papaya into smoothies for a delicious and nutritious treat. Watermelon, the hydration hero. With its composition being 90% water, watermelon is a refreshing, low-calorie fruit, containing only 30 calories per 100 grams. Its high water content not only keeps you hydrated, but also contributes to feelings of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, watermelon contains citrulline, which aids in fat metabolism. Enjoy it as a mid-morning snack or a refreshing pre-lunch treat. Eating watermelon fresh or blending it into juice, without added sugar, can make for a delightful summer refreshment. Apples, the satiating snack. Apples are a classic weight loss fruit, offering around 52 calories per 100 grams. Rich in dietary fiber and vitamin C, they help curb hunger and satisfy sweet cravings naturally. The fiber in apples slows digestion, helping you feel full longer. Incorporate apples into your diet by enjoying one first thing in the morning or as an evening snack. They can be eaten raw or sliced into oatmeal or yogurt for an added crunch. Oranges, the metabolism booster. Packed with vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber, oranges contain approximately 47 calories per 100 grams. Their low-calorie and high-fiber content help keep you satiated while boosting metabolism and promoting fat burning. Oranges make for a perfect morning or evening snack. Whether enjoyed fresh or as a juice, without added sugar, they are a delicious way to support your weight loss efforts. Mangoes, the sweet treat. Mangoes, often referred to as the king of fruits, are not only delectable, but also nutritious. With about 60 calories per 100 grams, they provide vitamins A and C, fiber, and natural sugars. The fiber content aids digestion and can help curb unhealthy sugar cravings when consumed in moderation. Enjoy mangoes as a midday snack or blend them into smoothies for a tropical twist. Opt for whole mangoes rather than processed products for maximum health benefits. Pomegranates, the antioxidant powerhouse. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, fiber, and iron, containing around 83 calories per 100 grams. The antioxidants in pomegranates can boost metabolism, while their fiber content promotes fullness and aids digestion. Snack on pomegranate seeds as a mid-morning treat, or sprinkle them over salads and yogurt bowls for added flavor and nutrition. Bananas, the energizing option. Bananas are a convenient source of potassium, magnesium, and dietary fiber, with approximately 89 calories per 100 grams. The fiber in bananas slows digestion, helping you feel satisfied for longer periods, while potassium assists in reducing water retention. Bananas are perfect as a pre-workout snack or for breakfast. Pair them with peanut butter, or add slices to smoothies and oats for added nutrition. Pineapple, the bloating buster. Pineapple is not only delicious, but also contains vitamin C, manganese, and bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion. With about 50 calories per 100 grams, pineapple can help reduce bloating and enhance feelings of fullness. Enjoy fresh pineapple as a post-lunch snack or add it to salads and yogurt. To maximize health benefits, stick to fresh pineapple rather than canned varieties with added sugar. Kaiku, the fiber friend. Kaiku, or sapodilla, is a sweet fruit that provides dietary fiber, vitamin C, and natural sugars, with around 83 calories per 100 grams. Its fiber content aids digestion and keeps you full, making it an excellent choice for weight management. Consume kaiku as a mid-morning or mid-afternoon snack, either fresh or blended into smoothies. Tips for maximizing weight loss with fruits. 1. Pair fruits with nuts or seeds. Combining fruits with a handful of nuts or seeds can enhance satiety and prevent rapid sugar spikes. 2. Moderation is key. While fruits are healthy, consuming them in moderation is crucial to avoid excess sugar and calories. Balance fruit intake with other nutrient-dense foods. 3. Timing matters. Enjoy fruits as snacks or between meals to curb cravings and maintain energy levels throughout the day. 4. Stay hydrated. Many fruits are hydrating, but drinking water alongside fruits can further aid digestion and fat metabolism. Incorporating Indian fruits into your daily diet is a delicious and effective strategy for weight loss and overall health. With their low calorie counts, high fiber content, and rich nutrient profiles, fruits like guava, papaya, and watermelon can enhance your weight loss journey while keeping you nourished and energized. By understanding the best times to enjoy these fruits and finding creative ways to include them in your meals, you can pave the way toward a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Embrace the power of nature and take a step toward achieving your wellness goals with the vibrant flavors of Indian fruits.